So you're there, goggles, mask, full suit. What is this? What's that like? The Iceland volcano.
Let me get some props. I got something here because I saw them the other day laying around here while cleaning the props I used. This is the mask one. I gotta get it done. All right. So here we got the crazy mask. And this is because there's a lot of sulfur in the air.
Right.
Like it smells like fireworks. And they say, if you breathe that for too long, it's not good. And we were up there, man, for like 12 hours or something. We were up there for a long time. So I was like, I'm going to buy this before I go just to have it.
Yeah.
And man, that was that. And here are the props. So wanted to show you the melted props. It's like, see how they're like all stretched?
Yeah. And these are 5-inch?
Yeah, 5-inch. And normally, it's a bit more like that.
Yeah, they look like that. Yeah. And that one melted all the way at the end.
Yeah, man. They're all like tipped. Super like. But that's the only thing that melted. Like, of course, you have to make drama for the shot. And the shot was already dramatic with
right.
the intro of me standing there. But, I just thought, when I flew, I brought like 3 drones. And I was like, okay, if I lose one, it's not the end of the world. So every time I change a SD card when I go. So in theory, I was trying to burn my drone, but I didn't. So I was going super low in one shot. The one that went super viral, like there's one that went super viral on my account where I like did a flip and shit. But I was low on these shots, just trying to push it, man. And when I came back, all I had was these stretched props. So I changed props and good to go again. And I think it's just the speed. I wasn't flying slow, so I was flying pretty fast. And nothing happened. No lava hit me. I was lucky, man. Didn't lose anything. And if you can see the shot, I'll give you some more insights. The shot I made, that the opening shot of that thing where I'm standing like all kitted out, you see the volcano behind me.
Yeah.
But obviously, if I fly the volcano, I would be standing the other way.
Next way.
Because my figure. So that shot is faked. I just like put it on, right, bro? Make the shot because the light is nice, So, and that's how that shot came together. So we just made that shot, and then I kept flying around that time, and then we got some mad shots. But that, man, is my most insane FPV experience. Like flying a volcano is so. I would recommend it to everybody who has a chance. It's insane, man. It's like a video game. It's surreal. You can't believe it. It's like looking into fire. You want to constantly look at it. It's wow. I want to go back again. I went another time to go and I didn't film it because it was gone. And now it's going again, the volcano. And I'm like, I want to go again, man. It's so enchanting. It's crazy.